What's the meaning of antenna? Antenna. 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 Antenna.
The term antenna generally refers to a device that is used to transmit or receive radio signals. An antenna operates by converting electrical currents into electromagnetic waves or vice versa. Antennas are commonly used in radio and television broadcasting, as well as in wireless communication systems such as cell phones and Wi-Fi networks. The design of an antenna can greatly affect its performance, and engineers use a variety of techniques to optimize antenna performance for specific applications. Overall, antennas play a critical role in modern telecommunications, allowing us to communicate wirelessly over long distances.